Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can link pages in Framer. So, without further ado, let's begin. The first thing that we need to do is to log in to our Framer account, and once logged in, we're going to select the project that we are working on. After selecting your project, click on the first page that is on your screen, and this will show a left panel right here which says Add Pages. Click on that, click on New Page. Then, after that, in this new page, type anything that you want, and after that, the link option right here on link to, and click on the page that you want to link the current page that your screen is on. Then, click Enter. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!